Ducati Clark, the South, Ducati Alabang, and then kami, we came from Ducati Manila in Katipunan. So ang galing, ang dami natin sa road kanina.
It's all around in your country, amazing. And there is no better bike than our Scrambler. It comes with 9 colors, which are fitted from factory.
Alright, congratulations once again, best accessorized Scrambler.
Okay, good morning again.
But it's the first time that Scrambler Day is back here in the Philippines. But when you talk about Scrambler, this is the bike Scrambler. It means that you can go on road and off road also because of the way the bike is set up and everything. The new Scrambler, the next generation, will I got it right already. We can do that.
Alright, so they have the agility and speed of a street bike as well as the off-road capabilities.
Stunt show now, stunt show.
We will be awarding the best accessorized scrambler and the highest mileage scrambler for today.
Akala ko drag race between Dodie and DJ. That would be really interesting actually to see.
Yeah, so yan po. So if you think your scrambler bike has what it takes to win, approach any of our Ducati Philippines personnel if you want to join. And mamaya lang po, we are going to be announcing the winners after this program. We also have our President and the Philippines and CEO, Mr. Dodie Alberto, and his lovely wife, Ducati Philippines Vice President, Ms. Joy Alberto.
You know, they call Ducati Scrambler Land of Joy.
Yes.
That's the tagline of Ducati Scrambler, and now we know it's because of Joy Alberto. It may or not be true, but let's say it's true that other members of the media we would like to acknowledge. We also have Leandre Pesia of Top Gear Philippines. We have John Mendoza of C Magazine.
Joel Joya of Motor Ciclo News. Ruby Ann Hoya of Sakay Pilipinas. Larissa Ann Hoya of Saya Pilipinas. Or TRRAM Media.
Motor Ride. Ducati Lady Riders in the house! How can we forget the Ducati ladies?
And the beautiful ladies of Ducati.
So all the ladies in the place with style and grace.
Ducati Clark, the South, Ducati Alabang, and then kami, we came from Ducati Manila in Katipunan. So ang galing, ang dami natin sa road kanina, and we're all dry, we didn't get wet. Yeah, so thank you Lord for that. And thank you guys for making the effort to be here. You know, our last Scrambler Day was 2019 pa, before lockdown. So I'm happy that, you know, we can do events like this, and we have the new generation 2 Scrambler to show. So, yeah, it's like 14 kilos lighter. You should, anyone who wants to try it, just let us know, let our sales know, and we'll let you try the new Ducati Scrambler, the Gen 2. Okay, what words should I say? I'm out of words. So Gino, ikaw yung magaling dito. Thank you everyone.
Thank you very much, Boss Scotty Alberto.
Thank you, Boss Scotty, for that warm welcome. Ayan po.
Next year. As I'm taking care of the Philippines for almost 5 years, I had a chance to come here many times, and I've been lucky enough to travel quite around the Philippines. The first thing that I noticed were the colors of your country, which is very beautiful. I went to Cebu and I admired the beautiful color of the sea, and nothing to say, the green that is all around in your country, amazing. And there is no better bike than our Scrambler. It comes with 9 colors, which 3 are fitted from factory and 6 are additional components. So thank you very much. Hopefully you enjoy the weather. Hopefully God will say we will test us to be alright, and we will. And the last thing that I forgot to say is that
The Scrambler generation, since the first generation.
Yeah, it has a modern feel engine, but the character of a Scrambler is still there. Just swap it up, just smoother.
I also noticed today, even it was super hot, once we got moving and back and forth to school every day, this bike, I wish I had this back then. It's so much nicer to ride.
So, Teach, you mentioned less heat. I believe this is about 20 to 30% less heat. What did they do to lessen the heat of the Scrambler?
Yeah, so one interesting technical point.
very exciting. I don't see any Creman. I just want to congratulate Creman and the Ducati riders. She's our first customer for the Ducati Scrambler Next Gen Full Throttle.
If you want the next step,
I want the
Meron na siyang mga riding modes.
What's the Next Gen Scrambler?
Meron na siyang mga riding modes.
Alright, diba?
Then,
And what's best about
Ayan, no?
this team
Iba na yung mga
is
signal light
the
niya.
price point. The price point, guys. The night shift and the high
Naka-turn
point.
pa rin siya.
So, can we
Five.
show the price?
Then, yung design dito sa cover.
See?
Same engine pa rin siya.
The iPhone is just 670,000.
Yung night shift
Alright,
dito ang
into the
mamaya
price.
night shift
The
titignan natin.
full throttle and the night shift is just 790,000. Guys, sobrang ganda nito, Teach.
Ganda siguro pag dito.
I think the best way for them to understand is just to try it.
Okay, night shift naman tayo.
Kami bahala sa inyo, yan.
Ito yung night shift.
Meron tayo ng video.
Nakaspot siya.
Ikaw, na-upload ka ng video, di ba? Meron kami ng video sa mga...
Yun na, X yung headlight, oh.
Ikaw, meron ka ng sulat ako sa article.
Scrambler X ba to?
And this decade, you already
Yung
uploaded
mga ilaw, bago na yung mga ilaw.
video. So, that is about full explanation from TJ.
Parang cafe racer siya. Or cafe racer style. Tapos iba na yung... Ayan.
Thank you, Ducati.
Ito yung...
Giving.
Stunt show daw, stunt show.
Parts, Ducati performance also.
Alright.
So all in all, how many like new pieces or how many new attachments did you put on the bike?
Almost everything except for the frame and engine. The tires.
And the tires, all right. Well, it does look fantastic. You did a fantastic job putting it together. But you have to stay here because we're going to have a couple of your other competitors.
Yes, and the bike for yourselves, pwede po yan lapitan for you to judge yourself kasi mamaya magka-count yan. Uy, ang pogi. Galing. Ikaw, tsaka yung ride, syempre.
Ayun.
Okay, so our second bike is not this one because this has been disqualified from entering. Because the owner of that is, well, one of the Albertos. So, bawal to join. So, this is the next one. This is the next,
Modified it as I want. Based on I used to race motocross back in the UK, so fun, nimble, lightweight, sends exhaust, lots of accessories on it. It's made it how I want it. My bike, 7 years old.
I noticed you changed the foot pegs as well to make it a little bit more off-road oriented.
Yeah, it's grip, no slip, loads of grip. Total, I think it's 42 accessories on it.
Wow. 42.
42.
42 new parts that you added to your Ducati Scrambler. And that's actually one of the things about, the beautiful things about the Ducati Scrambler is that you can customize it and make it your own. And that's what you definitely did.
Many options available, but from your store and stores online, and that's all I look for. Now we could modify it to our own.
And now the bike is really an extension of you.
Kind of. No, it's good. It's good fun. It's nimble. It's quick. It's lightweight. I love riding it on the twisties when I go out with the guys. The Ducati Club South from my pals over there. It's just good fun. I go out for a ride. I don't go out for a race. Too old for that.
Anything else that you future plans for the bike?
No, just keep up with it really. I'd like to change the seat. The seat's a bit tough on the back end, especially after we did a 3-day ride, 1,100 kilometres in 3 days. I got off like Charlie Chaplin. I got an air cushion as well, so that comes on and off. But that's good. Put the air cushion on, and it does the trick.
Right, it's a beautiful bike, and it does look like it's an extension.
43 accessories.
43, including the watch. 43 total accessories. It does look like it's an extension of you. Congratulations, it is a beautiful bike.
This session counts as well. Ayan, punta naman po kayo dito. We're on to our third bike.
All right, so we have our last bike with the for the accessory category that we call on the owner.
Ayan, palapakan naman natin. Wow! A lady rider. What's your name?
Cheryl.
Miss Cheryl, can you tell us about your bike?
Hindi naman ko na-design ng bike. Actually, I bought it like that na. Pero, the color mas maganda and then everything was just simple.
Just like you. Yeah. So, meron ka po ba ang alam mo na pinalitan na you wanna share with everyone here right now with this Scrambler that you have?
Wala. Everything is actually the first. Siguro the suspension, pero
But the color, you chose the color.
nakita ko sa for sale. Tapos nagunahan ako sa color. Tapos yung simplicity ng mga emblems.
It called to her. Nakita niya, naka-set up na, and it called to her, and this is mine. How long have you been riding?
Since 2020 yata, parang gano'n.
2020. Well, makaka-inspire. Sorry, I only know a few lady riders, and it really inspires me. Especially, ayan, di ba, kasali pa talaga sa competition natin. So, best accessorized. I'm crossing my fingers, hoping you will win as well. Ayun.
Thank you very much.
Goes to the unit garage equipped yellow Scrambler brought by Mr. Piguero. Congratulations.
Nice. Congratulations.
All right, congratulations once again, best accessorized Scrambler.